Whatever we're making today, your family may be eating tonight. So you're always excited to make something everybody enjoys.
My grandparents started the company in 1950. My grandfather used to sell door to door to the communities around this area, which were Italian communities. My grandmother's family had a little store that they were selling to the local people in their community. They met that way, fell in love, ended up working together, and they saved up enough money to buy a storefront, which was a gas station at the time, that they converted into an Italian store. And so from there, we continue to expand through their hard work and the rest of our families. From the delivery truck that my grandfather started with back in 1950 to today, we've become a trusted grower, importer, manufacturer, and national brand. Along with our original flagship retail store location in Jeanette, Pennsylvania, we also operate 4 SQF certified production facilities both in Pennsylvania and California, as well as a 600,000 square foot distribution center here in Pennsylvania. At DeLallo, we believe food isn't just what we make, it's what brings people together.
What makes DeLallo unique is how much emphasis we put on our quality.
We really care about the product. You can tell that everybody's heart and soul goes into the product that we produce.
We've spent over 75 years building long-term relationships with farmers and family producers that allow us to continuously select and create only the finest products. Take our pasta. Crafted in Gragnano, Italy, the birthplace of pasta, we start by selecting the highest protein durum wheat, then use traditional bronze die extrusion, slow and low temperature drying. This preserves the pasta's fresh bread aroma and ensures it cooks up perfectly al dente every time. Our Italian San Marzano style tomatoes are grown in the volcanic soil of southern Italy. We hand harvest them only at peak ripeness, packing only tomatoes that meet our strict specifications, sweetness and balanced acidity, perfect for homemade sauces. And our olives? They come from our own groves in California and family farmers we have partnered with for generations in Italy, Greece, and throughout the Mediterranean. These long-term relationships mean we can hand select the best of every harvest and maintain the highest quality standards through any volatility. The results? Consistently exceptional Italian products that customers love, making us the category leaders.
Mr. DeLallo always said, you place the needs of the customers first, and that's what we do.
We do not put our name on anything unless it's the best in the marketplace by far.
As much as we've grown over the years, we still have that family business and everybody still cares about each other and you feel like you're part of the family. And I think that makes it worthwhile. To me, that's important.
For 75 years, we've stayed true to what matters. Tradition, quality, family, and food that brings people together.